guys, welcome to my channel. And today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get more customers in purrfect spirits. So let's get started. First, you need to go to Play Store and search autoclicker. If you haven't still download autoclicker, then go download it. And now go to single target mode and then press settings. And now go enable it. If this pop up, copy what I am doing. Make sure this is your click interval. Now go to purrfect spirits. Now move the blue button to the cat icon. And now, press play button. As you can see, there's so much cats outside. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.